Hey, this is David in Greenock, Scotland, here with another ship tour. This time it's the Carnival Miracle, a Spirit class ship, on deck 3 where you're likely to board. But I'm going to start at the bottom on deck 1 forward. This is deck 1 forward, Mad Hatter's Lounge. This is where you'll have the Punchliner Comedy Club normally. You can see why it's called Mad Hatters. There's a bar on the starboard side. That's about it for deck 1. We're going to head upstairs to the Phantom Lounge. This is the Phantom Lounge. It's the main theater on board. All the way forward on deck 2, right above Mad Hatters. You can access it by decks 2, 3, and 4. Going aft on the starboard side from the Phantom Lounge, it's the Joker, it's a game room, coffee bar, the Red Frog. Most of your trivia is in the Red Frog. And next is the all-new Heroes Tribute Bar. It's a nice lounge area out here to drink your coffee. After that, going aft, Mr. Lucky's Casino. We're in port, so it's closed and I can record. After that is the Metropolis lobby. It spans decks 2 and 3, and really it goes all the way up to deck 10. And I really like the way the main theater and the lobby are decorated. Miracle's an old ship, and I rather like these decorations. It's good style, but not so much for the main dining room. We'll see. Going aft, Jeeves Lounge. And the Alchemy. Then Dr. Frankenstein's lab. That was changed in dry dock also. It's only one story now. It's a good dance club. And then we come to the Bacchus dining room. I would call it very controversial styling. Grapevines, way too many purple colored lights, ugly gray pedestals. Tell me what you think. The artwork is nice. I love that. These grapes, grape lights, gray pedestal, no. And that's on decks 2 and 3. Going forward from the Bacchus dining room, we have the Gotham Lounge. Not much going on here, but they have a bar. It's comfortable seating. We'll keep going forward on the starboard side. We'll get back to the atrium, Metropolis. There's pixels and the photo gallery. We'll keep going forward past the middle elevator and stairs, and we'll come to the fun shops, also known as Yellow Brick Road. They're all closed while we're in port. Same as the casino. Cherry on top is right there. There's another comfortable seating area. And Sam's Piano Bar. Enjoy that. Then the Warehouse Arcade. Past the forward elevator and stairs, there's more access to the Phantom Lounge and Gatsby's Garden. Gatsby's Garden goes all the way around, and this is how you access kids clubs on deck 4, like the Cove and Circle C. Go up to deck 5 and you'll come to Camp Ocean. All right, we're gonna skip up to deck 9 now. All the way forward on deck 9 is where you get the best views on the whole ship. The crew is doing a drill right now. I've skipped to deck 9 fitness center inside. Fitness center's on 2 decks. It's a little tricky to get into. You have to go through the spa, down a long zigzagging hallway, through this closed door. But there's also locker rooms with large showers that are ready for everyone. Let's start heading aft on the port side. Bye. We're right by the forward elevators. We'll keep heading aft. And the first pool we come to is the Sirens Pool. Anyone can use this one. It's always outdoors. But next is the Ulysses main pool. That one has a roof, so today it's indoors. Of course, you have a couple of bars here. Ice cream. Dive-in movies. Best of all guys burgers. The Blue Iguana. Next is the midsection elevators and stairs, and Horatio's dining room. That's the main buffet. The bust here may look like Napoleon, but that's Horatio Nelson, British naval captain.
You will tell me what did you say?
We're back by the atrium. First you come to Chopsticks. In the evening, that'll be seafood for extra cost. Next is the deli, open from 11 to 11. Regular buffet food is on the starboard side. And all the way aft, salad bar, desserts, Pizza Pirate, and Bonsai Sushi.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Lead your personnel
Crew
to the
drill is still going on.
station.
One more pool in the aft. That's the adult area, Serenity. There's another bar. This is the most comfortable seating. Let's go up to deck 10. Ten is the sun deck. There's not much on most of deck 10, but there's some nice loungers. Right here in the middle inside is Nick and Nora's. That's the steakhouse on the Miracle. Oh, great views of Scotland from up here. Deck 11, you can see that straight ahead. We have mini golf and the jogging track. A lot of people like to just walk around deck 10 here. There is a deck 12, but it isn't much. It's just a place to stand and have a good view. I think that'll about do it for this ship tour. See you next time.